Okay, y'all, this is part 2 of my baby bird. Say hi to him. He's a good baby bird. Let me just say hi to him. Okay, so baby bird, he's doing good so far. He hasn't so we found 2 baby birds on our porch one day, and so one was in the sun and one was in the shade, and which we call this baby bird Big Mouth because he eats a lot. Let me just see if I can get y'all to be able to see it more. That's him right there. So there was so sadly the second one died, and we call him Big Mouth because so basically their both names were Big Mouth and Little Mouth because Little Mouth he barely ate that much. Big Mouth ate a lot of food, but unfortunately the other one was sick, and I think it's gonna get this bird sick, and that bird died unfortunately. Rip that bird. Okay. Hit the like button for that bird. Okay. I'm gonna end it off right here. This is